How do you distinguish between bacterial, fungal, and viral diseases in peppers? Before we dig into the question, we need to understand that pepper diseases can be broadly categorized into fungal, bacterial, viral, and abiotic, that is, non-parasitic diseases, as well as those caused by nematodes. These diseases can affect various parts of the plant, including leaves, stems, roots, and fruits, leading to a range of symptoms like spots, wilting, and fruit rot. When it comes to symptoms and signs, this is what you can look out for. Bacterial spot appears as spots that form on leaves, stems, and fruit. Leaf spots first appear as small, angular spots on the undersurface of the leaf. The spots, which are about 0.25 inch in diameter, are initially water-soaked and later turn brown. Elongated raised cankers form on the stems. Bacterial leaf spot causes angular spots on leaves that turn brown. Bacterial canker can affect stems, causing cankers. Pepper scabs are a fungal disease that affects pepper plants. The fungus enters the plant via the stem or leaves and produces spores, which can move on to other pepper plants. Later on, we'll be looking at the different diseases, including fungal diseases, and how you are able to spot these different diseases and how you can treat them or prevent them. Now let's look at the different viral diseases and symptoms. Cucumber mosaic virus causes mosaic patterns on leaves and fruit distortion. Tobacco mosaic virus causes mosaic patterns and leaf deformation. Tomato spotted wilt virus can cause various symptoms, including leaf spotting and fruit distortion. Then when it comes to nematode diseases, these root knot nematodes cause galls or swelling on the roots, hindering nutrient and water from going up the plant. Let's move on to the abiotic diseases. Blossom end rot causes a dark, sunken area at the blossom end of the fruit. Nutrient deficiencies. These can lead to various symptoms like yellowing, stunted growth, and leaf drop. Other things to consider that can cause or catalyze the spread of pepper diseases in the plants can include environmental conditions like high humidity and temperature can worsen fungal and bacterial diseases. Culture practices like overwatering, poor drainage, and overcrowding can also contribute to disease development. So as a general rule, I would advise that you stick to the right spacing of pepper plants when you are growing in an open garden or even in a greenhouse. Grow your crops in a well-drained soil, not swampy areas. Be mindful of the season and temperatures, especially if you're not growing in a greenhouse. There are seasons good for pepper and seasons which are not especially friendly to pepper. Find ways to balance it out. Sometimes prevention is better than cure. I would go for prevention most of the time and only hit for the cure when I have to.